Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be filming again, and I've kick-started my YouTube channel back with this really nice teal smoky eye, which is super easy to create. So guys, if you want to see how I recreated this, please keep watching. I'm going to go straight in with a priming Robyn skin. So today I'm going to be using the Marc primer, which is a really lightweight primer, good just for normal skin. I'm just applying this all over my number 7 brush, just for an even coverage all over. Then I'm going to move on to the brows. My favorite product, which is Soap Brow, which I use all the time. This is actually their new brush, which I absolutely love. And as you can see, the difference in the left and right, it really just gives that beautiful bushy effect on the brows. It's absolutely going to kill me for keeping this frame in. But every like 2 frames that we film something, she insisted on having some Pringles, so I let her in. But this happened all throughout the tutorial, which is hilarious, but just kind of shows you that everything's a smooth run when it comes to filming tutorials. Anyway, I'm going to dive straight back in with the brows, and I'm going to be using the Soft Brown Duo Powder Brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. As you can see, all I'm doing is filling in the gaps, so I don't want like a block brow, just that really natural, bushy brow. I'm just going to go in with my angle brush by Mac, and just by working upwards, I'm just going to be adding some false hairs just to fill the brows out a little. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be taking my Be Perfect by Be Perfect Cosmetics eye primer. So this is just like a skin color, kind of like a concealer color. I'm just using my flat brush by Mac. So I take it all the way up to the brows, just as you can see, just to slightly shape those brows, and also blend it all over the lid, just to take any discoloration away, just so you have a really neutral base to be working with. I've also taken this primer underneath the lashes, because later on we're going to be blending the kohl pencil down. So this just helps take away discoloration and just prep the eye all around on top and bottom, so you're ready to go to create your eye look. Next, I'm going to go straight in with the Groundwrok by Mac Cosmetics. As you can see here, I'm going to be using this. It's like a cream-based shadow. I'm going to be blending it all over the lid. This adds a little bit of warmth, as you can see, and I absolutely love working with cream products. It just makes everything a little bit softer on the eye. And then now I'm going to be using the Illamasque palette. I love this palette. It's a perfect neutral palette for your kit. I'm going to be taking that really warm shade, and just with a blending 217 brush, I'm just going to be blending that just in the crease, and as you can see, it's just giving a little bit of definition and warmth to the eye. So I've evened out both sides, and as you can see here, she sat still for 0.3 minutes and 90 seconds, so she got another Pringle. Obviously you can see she's super happy about it. Next we're going to take this kohl pencil. So I'm absolutely obsessed with these kohl pencils. As you can see, it's a beautiful teal colour, really soft, it's really easy to work with. This is by We Makeup, and all I'm going to be doing, I'm going to sharpen it so it's super sharp. And I'm just placing that kohl pencil all along the lash line, as you can see, and creating a little bit of a flick and dragging it out with my finger. So with these kohl pencils, I find when you put it on, it's best to work straight away. So I work at an eye at a time rather than working on both eyes. And just with like a flat blending brush, this is just one by Mac, I'm gonna slightly blend out that teal pencil. And as you can see, it just gives a really nice diffused eyeliner. Now I'm happy with the density of the eyeliner. I'm just going to take a clean face wipe, and I'm just going to clean up underneath. This is going to help just give a really nice sharp eyeliner, as you can see. Just gives a really nice beautiful finish to the eyeliner. And now that I'm going back in with another eyeliner, so this is like a felt tip, like gel liner. This is actually by Max Factor. So I came across this in Boots, and I loved the colour, and I just thought it would be perfect for this look. And all I'm going to do is just run this along the lash line, just to make it a little bit more dense, and just so the look basically lasts all day. Now I'm fully happy with the eyeliner on top. I'm going to be taking the kohl pencil again and running it along the waterline on the bottom and also at the top. best advice I can give to anyone using a kohl pencil in the waterline is work as quickly as you can. Obviously, just to avoid the model's eyes watering. The quicker you get it over and done with, the less likely the eyes are going to water because you're not irritating them as much. And just with a flat shadow brush that we used a little bit earlier, I'm just going to be blending the eyeliner underneath just to create that perfect diffused smoky eye. Straight in with the lashes, I'm going to be taking the Sherr Mirror eyelash curlers, which are actually one of my favourites. So I would highly recommend the Sherr Mirror ones and also the Laura Mercier ones if you can't get your hands on these. I know Sherr Mirror isn't actually available in the UK. So I just really want those lashes to be super curled. And then I'm going to be taking my Climax mascara by NARS. So I need to do a little coating just as a base to put the eyelashes on, but I don't want to put too much at this point. And then I'm going to go with my favourite lashes. These are the Individual No Lash Lash by Nikki Makeup, and these are from Sweed. And what I'm going to be using is the longer ones in the middle. So I'm going to be adding 3 long ones in the middle, and then be working with the slightly shorter lashes either side. To finish off this eye look, I wanted to use a little bit of blue mascara on the bottom just to really add another dimension. I love these mascaras. So these coloured mascaras are by Kiko. They do the best coloured mascaras ever, really good colours, and it's also a really good mascara and super affordable. So I'm just going to zoom in here, and as you can see, that blue just adds another dimension and just makes the eyes look super cool. Next, I'm going to be moving onto the skin. I'm going to be taking this Velvet Matte Radiance Foundation by NARS. So this is actually a really sheer coverage. It's basically like a tinted moisturizer. And the reason I'm using this is because I still want to keep Robyn's freckles in. So all I want to be doing is just even out the skin. So I'm just slowly working this foundation just to take any redness away, and also just to create a really flawless base. For concealer, I'm going to be taking my favourite concealer. I've spoken about this loads in my tutorials, which is the Fenty. So I'm going to be taking the shade 210, and all I'm going to be doing is buffing a tiniest amount just under Robyn's eyes, a little bit around the nose, and also a little bit around the mouth, just to have that really flawless finish. And also, I always take the concealer just to the corner of the flick, just so the flick looks super sharp and precise. As this is a really nice summer tutorial, I don't want to be using any powder products on the skin. I just want to keep it really light and fresh. So I'm going in with a cream contour, and this is the Light Cream Contour by Huda Beauty. I use this all the time. I think it just adds that really beautiful bronze look without looking too heavy. So I just apply this on the cheeks, on the hairline, and also on the jawline. And then following this, I'm going to be using the cream blusher by Illamasque. I stumbled when I was trying to explain this to Robyn, which is why I think she's looking at me like that, and also why we're laughing. But I'm applying this on the apples of the cheeks and just working upwards towards the contour. And as you can see, it just gives that really beautiful, like, holiday flush. This is the most amazing colour. It's a new addition to my kit, and I absolutely love it. And to add that holiday glow, I'm going to be taking the Liquid Glow by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in shade Oyster. And as you can see, I'm just blending that over the blusher and taking it up to the cheekbone. And as you can see, you just get that such a natural, beautiful glow that's not too much. And I also apply it down the centre of the nose and also at the top of the lip, just to give an all-rounded glow to the skin. Finish off this look, I'm going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick called Glowing Gem. The best advice I can give to any makeup artist or any upcoming makeup artist, this key to a beautiful look is for it to all tie in together, for the eyes to match the cheeks and the cheeks to match the lips. So I was super happy that all of these colours worked beautifully together. And just to finish this look, I'm using the Resting Boss Face Setting Spray by Huda Beauty, which helps to keep the look on all day. This is the final look, and guys, I hope you liked it. I loved how this came out, and I think Robyn looks beautiful. So if you liked it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also you can find me over on Instagram at @the_makeup service. Hope to see you soon, guys. Thank you.